Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
All right, please note that the language and ideas presented on the show might not be suitable for everyone. If you're under 18, make sure your mom isn't around. If you're over 80, why is your mom around?
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
All right, a show doing the rounds is Tripling, award-winning, sensational show, which I know nothing about, but we do get to meet two interesting people who are in the show. The lead actors, Amol and a lovely girl called Manvi. Let's focus more on Manvi.
Why follow your auntie's advice when you can follow Cyrus Says on Facebook and Twitter to stay updated about the latest shows?
All right, this goes out to all the skinny people out there, and especially skinny women. I met a girl called Nilima after 7 or 8 years, and she's really thin. She's been a nice, plump girl and not really thin. I got to tell you, I hate skinny people. I can't take it anymore. It's a sign of your selfishness that you want to just remain skinny and thin even when you enter your 40s. It's disgusting. Women don't look like women anymore. They look like young teenage boys. I cannot bear it. So please, shape up. Stop being skinny. Skinny is selfish. Selfish is skinny. It's called Cyrus Says.
And that's what Cyrus Says.
Okay, here on a show we call Cyrus Says, not by choice, but because we couldn't think of a better idea or for a title, we've got someone from the internet world, the real internet world, which is making waves at the moment. In fact, there's a group called the Viral Fever, a group of 1,500 IIT people with no jobs who came together to make comedy. This they would do by just showing us pictures of them shaving. If you've gone to various IITs, you'll see that. And playing the non-girls from the IITs, which are very famous as well. But they actually have these huge scripts and stories and shoot these very interesting creatives. And one of the new ones to come out is a one called Tripling. Yeah, it's about a bisexual couple, pure porn, and it's hilarious from start to finish. No, actually, Tripling is a story of three siblings who set off on an unforgettable, unplanned road trip to meet their parents. All right, the parents, of course, are disgusted and shut the door on them. But the mayhem that ensues makes Tripling a trip worth taking. Some quoting, of course. But let's welcome to our studio Amol Parashar, a very well-known face as well as very well-known actor, and now making big inroads into television and the internet with this show called Tripling. So, Amol, hello.
Hi.
Amol, you just told me that we actually met some time back on a trip to Bali.
Yeah, that was years back. I think 2010 or 11.
What was it?
So I think there was a McKinsey offsite for 3 days. They were going there for a long weekend and they were having their cultural activities.
Yeah, and they had lots of things planned.
They had lots of fun things planned.
Yeah.
For which they do once a year for 3 days.
Yeah.
So I think we were the fun part of their trip.
I think so. And then they offload most of their employees, from what I gather.
Yeah, I think just throw them in the sea.
Yeah.
The ones that
But if I remember right, it was a long process to reach Bali, no?
It was a long process. And I think we made it longer for you. Manvi and I were there on that trip.
Where did you have to? Where was I waiting for you?
At the airport, I think you landed first and we took too much time at the airport, at the Bali airport.
To get out of the airport.
To get out of the airport, we took a little.
You must have checked in baggage. I never check in baggage.
Baggage and some currency shit and all those big notes with lots of zeros.
That's why most terrorist outfits call me. I'm the fastest in and out of airports. I carry nothing and I just rush out. Yeah. But unfortunately or fortunately, many years later, we meet again in a terrible studio somewhere in Khar, Mumbai, to discuss Tripling. Now, I want to first discuss you because we're waiting for Manvi to come. Manvi is the other star of the show. Manvi Gagru, is it?
Manvi Gagru.
And also we have Sumit Vyas, who wasn't able to make it. And he's also the writer.
He's also one of the writers. There are two writers.
Okay.
Sumit and Akash.
And also the internet. So the three of you all together.
Yeah.
That being the joke. Don't worry about it. Don't answer that.
Okay.
So the internet, Sumit Vyas and the other writer wrote this show. Sumit is also the star. Let's just set it up first. Yeah. So there are three guys. The show is called Tripling.
It's about
two of you and her.
It's for siblings. Basically, we are three siblings.
Okay.
Sumit is the eldest. Manvi is the middle child, and I'm the youngest of the trio.
Right.
And these three siblings, the basic, I think the most interesting or the selling point of the idea was siblings going on a road trip. Right. We've seen road trip stories. We've seen most of them with friends. But
why did they have to take a road trip to meet their parents? Have they not met their parents before?
They've met their parents. They've just not been in touch. So it's a family. It's sort of a take on a modern dysfunctional family where all the members of the family are living their own lives and not in touch with what's happening in each other's lives. Parents have retired. They're living in the hills now. And the eldest brother who lives in the US and just gotten a divorce. and he lands back in Bombay to meet his drifter younger brother, and
That's you.
That's me.
You're the rebel. You're the crazy guy.
He's the guy who on the surface of it doesn't have a stable life, who has nothing going for him. But again, through the show, through the story, we realize that he's the guy who's probably the most sorted about his life. Because although
you appear to be the wastrel, but you're not.
But I'm not, because I'm comfortable wherever I am.
So confusing from what I watch on the internet. I watch on the internet, people have no clothes. They jump on each other, and before you know it, in 7 to 8 minutes, you're done. There's no question of parents. I mean, they are parents, but nobody cares really. So I must say, the
this is a different side of the internet, baby.
I am. You're telling me. So your character's name is
Chitwan. So it's Chandan, Chanchal, and Chitwan. The 3 siblings.
Can you say all 3 fast without stopping?
Chandan, Chanchal, Chitwan.
Can you say 3 times without making a mistake?
I'm not sure. Chandan, Chanchal, Chitwan. Chandan, Chanchal, Chitwan. Chandan, Chanchal, Chitwan.
Not bad,
yeah. Not bad.
I mean, meri bari. Chandan, Chanchal, Chitwan. Chandan, Chanchal, Chitwan. Chandan, Chanchal, Chitwan. Chandan, Chanchal, Chitwan. Damn tough, man.
It comes from an old song. It comes from an old Bollywood song.
Correct.
I don't know if I know the lyrics exactly.
Sing
but
it.
Chandan sa badan Chanchal Chitwan. Dheere se tera ye muskara.
And there's no mention of Sharma in that song. I just want to tell you. They've picked up Sharma on their own.
No mention of Sharma.
Damn.
So we had to give them something.
Fair enough.
So Sharma, I think, is the most generic surname you can use in India.
Right.
So.
All right, let's talk a little bit now about preparation for this character, because if Amol, for people who don't know you, and I know you're getting fame very quickly as we speak, but there's also the fact that you're all over the television in so many different ads. And in most of them, you're this very sweet, clean boy. Am I right?
Because that's what they need in us, because nobody's going to buy stuff.
That's a very set sort of thing now, and you're actually playing against this character in this show. Because you're like this rebellious, what is the right word, hippie-like kind of guy?
Sort of, yeah. Hippies, we've shown him, not shown him exactly, but we've hinted on the fact that he smokes illegal stuff.
But you do? You do?
Chitwan does, in the show.
And Amol?
So Amol, I've experimented with stuff.
You bastard. I can't believe you're a narcotics expert. What the hell? How can you tell me this on air?
Also, sometimes you have to do it for the love of the craft, because you're playing a character, you've got to do a little bit of method acting.
Sometimes theatre karke pak jate log, and there's no option. It's cheaper than daru sometimes.
Yeah. It's also, for most people, it's a very creative exercise. I don't know. It's never worked for me as a creative exercise.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Okay.
But yeah, I've been in Bombay for a while. I've been in Bombay for 3-4 years doing theatre, which is the poor man's job. And ads, which is how I pay my rent.
It's amazing. So you work so hard to do a play, sometimes weeks and weeks, and then nobody really watches it sometimes, and you make no money and no claim, nothing. And then you go and do an ad
for
which
one
is
day.
Absolute rubbish.
You shoot it for a day.
For 15 minutes, actually, you look at your acting time, maybe 15-20 minutes in the whole day, make 50 times the money, and everybody sees your face and you're very famous overnight. The irony is hilarious, actually, when you look at it. But you've done so many ads, actually, you've done a lot.
I have done quite a few.
Okay, and that's still happening on the side, but now obviously mainstream cinema is the next step?
Maybe, yes. I don't know if
What's your take on the internet? Are you happy here? Do you like the kind of...
I'm happy with Tripling. I'm happy with what Tripling has done for me.
And you're getting a lot of feedback?
A lot of feedback. I think especially...
Can I just say, before your co-star comes, we've done our own research, and apparently you're the person everybody likes the best.
It's the crazy character in the story.
So but you got to take some credit for that. You'll be in a show where they won't like you. So please take credit.
In fact, I think I've not said it, but I think I'm the best actor anyway on the show.
Well,
so
since
Manvi
is
and
here,
Sumit aren't here,
we should just absolutely go on with that. Manvi, let me tell you, this guy is fantastic. He's really good. Yeah, we were actually waiting for her to come into the studio. Any moment she will join us.
And then claim that she's the best actor on the show.
And then we'll never mention that we said this.
Until
she hears the thing for the first time and realizes it's all true. Yeah. Okay, so let's go back in time now and talk about you, and then hopefully Manvi will join us, and then we'll talk about the show again. Let's go back to Delhi. So were you always an actor?
No, in fact, the joke that goes about TVF also goes for me, because I am also from IIT. I went to IIT Delhi. I did my 4 years of engineering.
Which IIT?
Delhi.
You're IIT Delhi? That's the top IIT.
Yeah, it's in the top rung. There's Bombay, there's Delhi. Most people want to go to Bombay or Delhi because even in terms of IIT,
why do you waste a seat here? You're a freaking engineer. Why are you taking our work? I couldn't become an engineer.
At that time, I didn't know what I wanted to do. At least at that time, that is the only thing that I wanted to do.
Didn't know what you want to do when there's only so many seats available and only so many people with the potential to join IIT.
Correct. So there was no other option for me. I didn't know what else I would do if I didn't go to IIT.
Why come down? You reach
IIT,
stay there.
Why would you say it is down?
What the hell? You did a stupid plane, Prithvi, which nobody's watching, when you could have been an IIT guy.
I could have been sitting in an office making a program that nobody will watch ever. Nobody will ever watch me making that software somewhere in the office. So I think at least 500 people are watching right now. I think just for those eyes, for that.
All right, we've got to interrupt you here for a second because I think Manvi's just come. No worries. Manvi, please come join us.
Hi.
I'm sorry to rush you into the seat like that, but
Chanchal is
That's
here.
fine. That's
Chanchal
fine.
is here. Okay, I'll just finish talking to him and then we'll segue to you nicely.
Yes, please,
Okay?
thank you.
Have your drink. This is that
Yeah.
vegetable juice crap. Can't bear it.
Vegetable fruit juice.
So I was
yeah.
just reminding him that 5 years back we made him wait at the Bali airport.
Oh yeah, of course.
And that
Did he
ended,
remember- you
ended
had-
tragically. No, I can't remember.
Wow, it's-
I remember Bali. I remember y'all. I remember there's a theatre group and all that, but I don't remember this incident.
Theatre group doing jack shit there. Just
Oh,
like,
So they organize these 5-6 things. We all part of it. Come on, let's be honest. We all,
I went
we
there
all
for
runnies
holiday.
in this profession.
I
Come
went
on,
there for
yeah,
a holiday.
yeah.
I mean, didn't we all? But yeah.
All right. Okay, I'm also just talking to you quickly about your background. So you were in IIT.
I was in IIT Delhi, yes.
I can't understand this, and it really irritates me because I know that some of us don't have the capacity to become engineers or IIT, the top of the rung thing, and then I get really irritated because the seat is gone.
No, but like I was saying, when I went
I
to
want you
IIT,
to promise you'll go back to IIT and I'll become an engineer.
No,
What's
Or
your
do-
suggestion?
or do something for the
I'll say what I
country.
usually say.
Yeah.
I did, maybe let's say I did waste a seat, but right now I'm not wasting a seat in a corporate office. Somebody else is doing that job who might be more interested in doing that job.
Or maybe that job doesn't exist because
I'm sure there are jobs are out there.
you
Somebody
came
else is
back to
doing
do
it right
experimental
now.
theatre and act in tripling.
I did,
Look
yes.
where that got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, in this room.
But were your parents happy with them? Not happy. Were they okay with the fact that you?
They were
sort
a
of
little
said-
scared. They were a little scared. But yeah, but
But did they
I think
try
I
to
was
stop
too much
you
of
and
a
say,
rebel.
"Beta, socho," anything like that?
एक दो बार प्यार से बोला, but I think I am a bit of a chitwan like that. They knew that.
So you actually are a rebel.
हाँ.
So you're not this clean guy that we see in the modeling and all that.
No,
you're not this
that's
goody
pure
two
acting.
shoes fellow who comes
That's
and
just the talent.
that's just the capacity, yaar, Manvi.
That's just the
capacity
salon.
big cheese hai. Welcome to the show, Manvi. I'm sorry we started without you. Indian men never
Yeah.
wait for the women.
Patriarchal
We are
bloody
disgusting.
society, yeah.
Disgusting. And Donald Trump is not the
Now,
president.
now
Same
you
thing all
have
over the
that
world.
leeway. Yeah,
There
it's
you
just
go.
going to seep
There
into
you go.
our culture back.
So just be prepared. It's
Yeah.
a male world. Sexism. Hillary couldn't win. She couldn't win. That country is supposed to be most least sexist and this and that, and women are everywhere and all that. And they didn't vote for her. They voted for the man with orange hair.
With orange hair, carrot top. Yeah.
Orange skin.
Yeah, we voted orange. They voted orange hair. Still different. Mani, quickly, let's introduce you into the script as well. So we've just mentioned tripling to everybody and all that, but just a little bit about the background. You're playing the middle sister.
Yeah.
Huh. And what's your character? So he's the hippie-ish guy who we think is sort of wastrel and all that. I don't want to give away the story. You?
So there's no personality trait to her. Name's Chanchal.
Again,
There's
sexism.
no-
But Sumit Vyas, he writes it for the
Give
men
nothing to
only.
the
There's no-
His character is very well defined. Yours is well defined. A poor girl. Oh, lagi hai, beach mein lagi hai.
her
Lagi hai.
trait
But by
is-
chance we had a girl. Huh.
Her trait is that she's the middle child.
What the
so
hell?
everything that comes with
What
that
lazy
is-
writing.
yeah.
Couldn't they lift it from a Spanish
So
soap opera?
everything else I've added. No, I'm kidding. But so she's like this confused girl. She's very regular. She's very normal. She wants simple things in life, but she's just landed herself in a situation which is something that she can't get out of, or she doesn't know how to get out of. So.
But Sumit's character is the US return, broken marriage.
Yeah.
A lot of drama, shama behind
Yeah.
that. His
So
character,
there-
Amol's character.
my character also has that, like
What?
that kind of a drama there is. So she's. Should I just say it?
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
since
Say,
everybody's
already
seen it,
released,
everybody's
there's no
seen
secret
it, yeah.
now, yeah.
It's a super hit blockbuster
Super hit
series.
blockbuster,
yeah.
come on.
So, no, so she
100
basically
crores.
she was
Views.
dating this
Which
guy.
you won't see, huh? Huh.
What?
Views.
Views,
100
yeah.
crore
I don't know,
views.
but y'all won't see any money. We'll talk about that later.
Won't trickle down.
Huh.
So she was dating this guy in college. She got married to him, and they had like this lovely adventurous lifestyle. And then they realized that he's basically from a royal family, Indian royal family, and
Who? The boyfriend?
The boyfriend.
Huh.
And then they get married, and then his father passes away, so they have to.
He becomes the Raja.
He has to kind of go and take care of things, of matters and debts and property issues and all of that. And then they somehow settle there. They end up getting stuck there. They can't get out of that. And the husband has put on this whole act of being this Raja.
Who
this
plays the
prince.
Raja?
Kunal
Kunal
Rai Kapoor.
Rai Kapoor, yeah.
So he's
Who's
playing
one of the
that-
laziest people I've ever met in my life. Well cast.
But
Yeah.
he's fantastic.
Yeah,
huh?
damn
Like,
funny.
he's insane.
He was born to play this role. This role is him. Yeah.
Yeah, so he's like that. And there's a dialogue also where I say that he Virasat ka Anil Kapoor ban gaya hai. So he's actually, it's almost like that. He's grown this like huge ass
Although I've seen him
mustache.
naked, there's no hair on his body. I can tell you. Kunal,
You
Kunal.
wouldn't know.
Only Kunal I've seen naked.
Not Anil Kapoor.
Only-
I'm getting excited. और कौन है? और कौन है? I've got a file.
List में कौन है?
Yeah.
Virasat.
Huh.
You
So,
know,
sorry,
Anil
wait.
Kapoor has a lot of hair. So
How do you know?
everybody
You've been
knows Anil
auditioning.
Kapoor.
Go on. Sorry.
No, so just that, and then that's her main conflict, and she's not in.
So it's a
she has-
loveless marriage after that. It's like he's into his own thing.
It's
The Raja.
loveless as in
Matlab he's not interested in his wife
loveless.
anymore. He's
Yeah,
got other
seemingly
things.
loveless. Like there is a lot of respect and all of that, but then they have some bedroom issues as well. So
What? He
they're
can't get it
trying
up?
to have a baby, and he can't get it up for whatever
You're a
reason.
pretty girl. Come on, that can't be.
I've tried everything.
So what kind of Raja is this? Is he a Raja or a Rani? What's happening?
No, so yeah.
So you show all that in graphic detail?
No, not so much.
You-
This
you-
is all
made
my
this backstory.
backstory.
Manvi,
This is
tell
all
us
my
intimate
backstory.
bedroom scene is Kunal Roy Kapoor.
So when you rub it hard,
You rub what? The Roy or the Kapoor?
yeah.
So that's
I'm just getting
some
comfortable.
awkward silence now.
Oh, yeah.
You said rub it hard. You changed the entire course of our
I
conversation.
can't-
My two sound
Can we-
engineers who get bored through all these shows wake up. Look at this guy. He's broken his hand doing the same thing.
Rubbing the Kapoor.
So backstory is the marriage is not in a good place, is it?
No, it's not in a good place, and she
So
has
which
no one.
characters comes
She
back
has
with
no one
broken
to talk
marriage?
to because like she's stuck in this whole like Raja Rani.
And the
wala
three
situation.
siblings are not together in the sense that they don't really.
They don't
They've
really
not
talk.
been in touch
either.
They've
Yeah.
not been in touch.
So then they all come together and they decide to go and meet their parents.
It also happens like they improvise along the way. So the first idea when
They find other parents.
when the eldest when Sumit lands up in Bombay, so they've not been in touch to the extent that I don't even know he's got married and then got divorced. And then when he lands up, all this confusion happens. He doesn't know what I'm doing in Bombay. These days I'm a
Your
DJ.
character doesn't have a job.
These days I'm a DJ.
You are a DJ.
Yeah, when he lands up,
He's
he
a
lands up in the
drifter.
club.
Okay.
He lands up in the club where I'm playing and I'm being booed away.
Now this is like Bollywood suddenly. He comes to the big city of Mumbai and he finds a brother in one shot.
No, he
No,
goes
he
to
knows-
meet him.
he knows-
he knows where he
He
is.
knows he's playing
Yeah.
that.
So it's not a
tonight.
Subhash Ghai film.
No.
Not
It's,
as
a,
much.
it's an Anand Gandhi film.
Oops. Google.
Ship of Theseus.
Leader of the nation. No, wrong one. So
So, yeah.
you find each other after
So we
many
find
years
each
of
other,
separation,
and then there are some issues with my life.
Huh.
So I want to run away from Bombay.
But
and I take
where's
my brother
Chanchal
along.
at the moment?
Chanchal is in Jaipur or Jodhpur.
Jodhpur.
She's with the
her
Raja, still.
husband. We are assuming
We
that
haven't
she's set,
revealed
she's
her
settled.
character. I have
Okay.
a big reveal. Huh, in this
Yeah.
show.
Big reveal means they don't want to write you in for the first half an
Grand
hour. Damn Indian men, I'm telling you.
End of first
No, they
episode,
just
there's a
wanted
grand
like
entry.
this pan up shot.
She's got a lot of sexual imagery, which I'm sorry to interrupt you, Amol. I'm more interested in
This
that.
is
the
all
backstory she's
all
been
been
using for the
drilled
show,
in.
I
Every
This
time I'm
is
about to ask him
conditioning.
about his character, now you come back to some imagery
Sorry,
of panning up and all that.
We were playing
Sorry,
siblings, so
continue.
I don't know how to comment.
Well, I don't want there are many tribes in India where rules are.
Let's not go there.
Yeah, not used.
Okay.
So
So,
you're in the
so
deep-
I want to get out of Bombay. So my brother gets drunk. He passes out. So when he wakes up, we're out of the city already, and I have decided to go to Jodhpur and meet the sister. Basically, I
So
just want to get
driving.
out of the city to
You'll have driven.
avoid certain situations that.
driven.
Huh.
Tata Tiago.
What are you
Tiago.
you're avoiding?
Woo!
Tata
Wait,
Tiago.
now the imagery is gone. Now you're doing branding.
And now I'm plugging.
Who's the car?
Best
Tata
car for
Tiago.
the road
Which
for a
car?
road trip.
It's Fantastico. Tata Tiago.
Tata Tiago. Do you know the Tatas are in the middle of a big fight?
Yeah, I
And you bring this
know,
up now.
I know.
With my namesake poor chap being
But
pushed
I'm
around
trying-
the Tata. And all you can do is
But I'm trying
thumbs
to
up for
bring in
the
the joy that
Yeah.
they're lacking right now.
Fair
in their
enough.
lives.
So they decide to go to Jodhpur, and then when they go to Jodhpur, they realize that the sister is also a little up, as in her life is also not going as well as
all
we
three
think.
are in a place where they're sort of,
There's something
Yeah,
going on.
they discover that they've not been in touch, and everybody is in a difficult place.
Why can't you all just do drugs and end the matter?
So we did that offset.
Yeah.
And
Well, it's off
that's
camera.
also hinted at. That's the final plot to the story. Like that's how it all gets sorted.
Are you
Sort
kidding
of,
me? I
sort
love
of.
this film.
Yeah.
Web series.
Web
Web
series.
series.
So
it's
then,
almost like a film.
Look at you.
It's a
All
2-hour film.
Bollywood.
See, I'm from an old generation. We don't know the difference. As long as
It's
we've seen
film or
something.
nothing.
Yeah.
So web is this thing called internet, you know? Yeah.
And go on.
So basically, no. So it's just, I'll show you. There's a thing called smartphones, which we all
Are they
have
naked
these
people or
days.
not?
You can find
Also,
naked
that's all I
people.
want.
Otherwise,
No.
there's also this thing called a mirror. You can just remove
So
your
instead of
clothes.
tripling, we can do coupling.
Yeah.
Coming soon, the sequel. Okay, so let's set it up now. You're all three together. And then why do you decide to meet the parents? The parents are a little distant from you all.
No, so the father had, Chandan had, the eldest brother, he already decided that he's going to go spend some time with him and then go meet his parents. That's the plan. That was his plan. And of course, along the way, this improvised trip happens. And then, so then we all decide that, then let's go
Where
to
to go? Yeah,
Manali.
3 siblings on the road.
Sorry, am I not allowed to
Of course you are.
Okay.
Don't say Manali, but because that's the drug implication.
But I can say.
Of course.
Yeah, of course.
Don't be
And
silly.
boobs and
Boobs.
asses and dicks and all.
Boobs is like it's like and there for us. Yeah.
All that also happens in the journey with
What-
other people.
y'all are
with
three-
other people.
what happens? Y'all
You
are
bump
three-
into random people, some
Achha.
men, some women, some white women.
Okay. So racial
So
sex.
they had
slander.
made sure that they
So-
only include some hot women. Huh?
That's
They
the
were no
writers.
men.
That's
There
So
That's
were-
the
she
writers.
can't be
I
like
can't
a
enjoy.
loose woman.
She's
But
playing
you're
the
a
siblings
loose
I
now.
can't
woman.
have
She's playing the
eye
siblings.
candy or
So
whatever.
yeah.
Yeah.
There's got to be some glamour.
She has to be a
some-
nice middle class woman in the middle of the car doing nothing.
Yeah, wearing
middle sister, middle everything. And you two boys get all the fun. That
Yeah.
guy's just left his wife. The wife was a foreigner.
Yeah.
So the parents are
White
very
chick.
happy. This is more racism. Forget Donald Trump.
Yeah.
We have our own. So
No, but
then
there's this one guy who comes up to him at a party, like this one really lecherous guy, and he comes up to him and says, "अरे आपने तो गोरी के साथ किया है ना? कैसा अच्छा रहता होगा ना?" And, you know, and
it's a new animal. Yeah.
and that character was played by RK, who's the director, Rajesh Krishnan of the show.
Right.
So he
Who apparently is like that. He's a
no,
lech.
he's not like that at all. He just wanted
Amol
to
told me
play that.
he used to pinch Amol off camera.
That's how I got my job.
There you
That's how I
go.
got the
Sit
job.
on my lap, beta. Tell me more.
I thought it was. Sorry.
Take this line this way.
Woo! And he doesn't mean coke. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll take a quick break. We'll come back and talk about the whole shooting experience because apparently you had a lot of fun. Shot over many days also.
Over
Yeah.
a month.
She's saying no, you're saying yes. You're in 2 different web series.
I'm
Over a
saying
month.
no to the having fun part.
Really?
Yeah, we'll
Not
get to
fun?
that.
Okay, we'll come back in a second. All right.
Hi, I'm Amit Verma, the host of the weekly podcast The Seen and the Unseen. In my show, I examine the seen effects and the unintended consequences of public policy and private action. I show how policies meant to help the poor often end up hurting the poor. I've done episodes so far on demonetization, GST, surgical strikes, immigration and MRP. And I will continue my forensic assault on the truth in the weeks to come.
Catch the show every Monday on the IVM Podcast app or any other podcasting app that you prefer. Or visit seenunseen.in for all the latest updates.
All right, here with Tripling. A couple from Tripling. One of the actors fell off the car in the middle and we lost him. Sumit is also the writer apparently and who's been in a lot of shows on the internet before that as well. Let's now quickly talk. Manvi, since you came late, which generally is what the man should do. I'm just trying to get back into your world. So let's just now talk about you for a second. We spoke about growing up in Delhi for this young man here and how he was in IIT and again with this whole viral fever group. A lot of them are engineers who've just turned their back on it and gone into this creative line, which is quite amazing. I don't think I have another example of that anywhere. What about you? What's your backstory?
So, also from Delhi. No
Okay.
IIT. For
Why?
me.
What went wrong?
What happened?
Which school?
Mothers International. Are you familiar with Delhi?
I like mothers.
And as
But
international as they can get.
I used to work on a music channel which never played music, and we shot a lot. I've shot almost, I think, about 20 schools and colleges in
But
Delhi.
you've never been to Mothers International?
Lady
no?
Shri Ram,
That's
Columbus. I mean, just
Gargi College. have you
Venki's,
been to?
Gargi.
So for college I went to Gargi.
Okay,
And
but where's Mothers International? Because the name is very nice.
it's beautiful. It's
Why would you
it's
call
one
it
of
Mothers
the-
International? Because you're young girls. They
It's-
want you to be
no,
mothers
it's
really
mother.
quickly.
You know, Sri Aurobindo and
Oh,
mother. It's
mother
like
in
she
that
had,
sense.
Yeah,
Okay,
she
okay.
had.
Also,
like,
the kids in that
Like,
school are
if you
called...
say Ma International, what?
kill you.
Go on, go
And
on.
they have
kill
a
you.
term for students. also.
shut
Like,
up.
I was in DPS, so they call us dipsites.
We shot
Mothers
DPS.
International.
DPS all rich kids, huh?
DPS is where that
And rich kids
that
wanted mobile
MMS got
phones.
happened.
Huh,
so.
but that is much later. Before that,
Pretending to
No,
be
that-
rich.
we shot a
happened at our
story
time.
with the first
Where
school
rich
to have
kids too.
with kids who used to have mobile phones.
Yeah,
by the
that
way,
was, that's true. But that was
Yeah.
not us. There was
Too
No,
late.
we used to have like in 11.
were you
I
involved
didn't
in that
have-
famous
I didn't
scandal?
have- no.
With that,
He was on shooting.
What the? you were shooting. So you were always creative.
Very
Yeah.
creative.
And marketing because
That
did
was
well.
my shot
did
to
well.
fame, I think.
Was it also viral fever? Those guys are good. All right, sorry, it's her story
Yeah,
now. So
thanks.
Mother International. If you say
Mothers-
Ma International, it sounds more.
Mothers- no.
See, it sounds more.
Ma International
but,
just sounds
but then you
like
don't get
damn
that.
cheesy.
But Mother sounds a little dirty. You know, you get the dirty thoughts in your head.
You get that dirty
He
thought?
also
No,
he
no.
says there's a name. I'm not even getting the
There's a
name.
term for the students of the school, and
Which
they
is?
call them mother's bosoms.
Not bosom,
Mother's
mother's
blossoms.
blossoms.
Mother's
asshole.
blossoms.
Yeah. Mother's blossoms.
But which means the
No,
former.
it's just like
blossom.
we are seeds that the mother planted, and now we are blossoming as we leave the school.
Either I'll go to sleep or
The
you tell,
alumni-
let me have the double meaning. I want the double meaning right now. Huh.
He said it. He had a Freudian slip.
But were you all in the
Mother's
same
bosoms.
age group growing up and all that? Would you
I'm
know each
much
other?
younger though.
I'm sure you are. But did you know each other?
We met in Bombay.
DPS guys don't talk to
Not
mothers'
mothers' bosoms. We don't
Mothers'
talk to.
bosoms. See, look at this caste-conscious people. It's very bad.
No, sorry. I'm way above all of that.
What are you saying? Really?
Yeah.
Please explain the hierarchy in Delhi for non-Delhiites.
No, MIS is the best school in all of India. Like,
Abhi MIS ho gaya.
Yeah.
It's like a political party. That was a small
that's
one.
what we're saying. Like DPS is called whatever.
Oh.
So it is like
But DPS is world famous all across India.
No. Yeah, because they pay for all of that. They're Bombay Times. They pay for their
all-round development
media.
in DPS.
Not just bosom,
Not
blossoms.
just bosom.
Oh.
No, so we have
filmmaking.
Outlook, India Today, like all these magazines have run surveys for best schools, and MIS has been in the
Top
top
ranked.
2, if not the top
So
1.
who's the other one with you?
DPS.
No, it's either like when they do when they do including boarding, then Wellham's is second. Otherwise,
But
there's
another pretty
some
elitist
other-
sort of school.
Loreto or something in Chennai or something comes.
Oh.
Yeah, second.
Well, that's pretty good. So pan-India you're saying?
Of course.
I must remember
Pan Asia maybe. I mean,
if I had to go back to school, I must remember. So only girls?
no, co-ed.
So then how can a boy come out saying I go to mother's internet?
Because we
sounds-
allow
mother's
that.
blossom.
We are not that strict when it comes to
But
sexuality.
I
We realize that it's a spectrum.
I would
and
be
it's
confused.
fine. No, they're not.
I study at mothers. It just sounds. I don't know.
No, that it's all. See all that machoism.
No, like in Bombay we have Queen Mary's which is girls and Saint Mary's which is boys. You know, it's the way it is.
And that's why like Bombay people are.
You're right. You're all fucked up and complex. We should have gone to Mothers International
Yes.
and be proud
Yes.
that we've come from there.
So yeah, and
let's
then
move
after
on
that,
with your life story.
So then after that, I studied psychology in Gargi, and
Now, Gargi
so-
College I shot. A lot of very pretty girls, I
Yeah.
must say. But that is
Of
in the
course.
late 90s. Huh? Now they must be old. What I shot then, 17, 18
No, but
years
that's a
have passed.
criterion. Like
Huh.
they don't look at cut-offs; they look at their
Listen,
pictures.
most of the colleges I went to in Delhi, the
Oh,
girls
yeah.
were really hot, man. I got to tell you.
But they are in general.
Venki's,
but
I was
the
really
minute
shaky,
they
but Venki's
open
was
their
good.
mouth, it's a little like.
I don't have a problem with opening the mouth. What the hell?
No, it's like you don't. Okay, anyway.
I love the
I'm
Punjabi
not- I'm
twang,
not
so I have no problem.
Shut
Oh, Cyrus,
up.
kya haal hai? What's up? I'm at home. Not an
No.
issue. See, the problem with our country, is people don't appreciate and enjoy the ethnicities of other people.
I do.
If
I
you
love
do,
the
it's
Indian
a lot of
accent.
fun
I
all
love
over
the Indian
India.
English accent.
Yeah. At least in the north, I always find them violating proximity. So I'm standing the Darban house at Taj. He'll put his hand on my shoulder and say, "Oh, Bakra Shakra was sahi hai, nakli hai, kya hai?" But like we're brothers. That's
Such
typical.
warmth.
In the south, they always talk to you like almost like they're ashamed that you come out of the plane because I come in short pants. So you look at me and saying, "Sir, aap hai." You know, like how can you come out for the car driver and all that? You should not be eligible for this. So it's amazing. I enjoy all that. I hope you do too. It's a wonderful country filled with complex people. You must enjoy that. It's your story.
I do.
Growing up in
Thank
Delhi.
you, thank
Then
you.
Gargi College and
So-
psychology.
Psychology. And so in like around first year is when I did the show for Disney. That's how acting happened.
Which one?
Dhoom Machao Dhoom.
Oh.
Have you
okay.
heard of it?
No, I used to watch a lot of Disney. I'm forced to. Don't ask me names of shows. I'm forced to. I have children.
That was in-
18, 20 of them. Huh.
That was
You think I'm
India's
only Mothers
first-
International? मेरा भी international course है भाई.
Mothers International.
What do you think? Head of the class. Double promotion. Yeah.
What ifs?
Yeah.
So
What if? Oh God, I'm so old.
we had. Oh, it's not Delhi. It's just millennials.
This is now the urban
Generation.
Indian generation. We can't explain. Yeah.
Millennials, bro.
Yeah, millennials.
Yeah.
Are you?
I'm
Millennials
not
means
gonna-
born about after 2000, right?
Not born, like have experiencing
Living.
young adulthood.
Okay, so like
course
born
I-
1990, let's say. So us three. Laughing at me. Okay. Finish your psychology
Yeah,
major. I want
let me.
to know how you landed here.
Let me. I'm telling
sorry.
you. So that Disney show happened, which was
Did you
in.
meet him? Did you know Amol existed?
No, not that time. So we were doing this. I was doing the show for Disney, and then I went back to Delhi to study. And
Study
then
what?
Psychology. Like this was in first year college. All of this was happening. Then I came back because I got some random film. Like I got this film which just randomly landed up
film?
in. It's called Amras, which was my first film.
My God, your double meaning story just continues, yaar. From where to where, every title is like
It's
this.
called Amras.
Tripling,
the
I'm trying to
sweet
find what is
taste of
tripling. Now,
friendship.
tripling also got some sexual imagery which I have to figure out here.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, so Amras happened, and then I went back,
What a
finished.
story.
Listen, but it's a legit film, huh? Like it's proper. It got a
Who's the
release
hero?
and all.
With 4 girls.
What do you mean? Who's the hero? See, patriarchy speaking again. We were 4 girls. Like
In a
it
film
was
called
about 4 schoolgirls, and they're getting out of
Who
school.
are the other three
and-
girls? Anyone famous?
No.
No?
All
How mean
newcomers.
you are. You're not even giving the
All
names.
I'll give you names, but they're not. So there's this girl called Vega. Then there's Natasha. Then there's
This is typical first names of
Achal.
any girls from
These
anywhere.
these were the 4 of us. So
And there are no boys in the film.
no, they're not worth mentioning. Like they're random guys.
But there's no love story.
There's one random love track happening on the side.
With
but
who?
it's still the story. Like, this guy called Ajay.
Why is it called Amras?
Because so after
Mango juice. Who thought of this
after
idea?
School, listen, Rupali, I love you. No, so after school, we all go to this one friend's house, and her mum makes us like amras, and we eat, and
Okay.
so that's like
So
a
it's like
bonding
innocent
factor.
Amras. It's actually Amras.
It's actually amras.
Yeah, we hungry, horny
Literally
boys
Amras.
are
You
waiting
are
for
trying
something
to
to fall
find
from
some
heaven.
depth there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
damn it.
It's also got a tagline, no? Was it?
The sweet taste of
The
friendship.
sweet taste of friendship.
I gotta tell you, I watch pornography around the world, and this is very, very
This is another
dirty
level,
side.
Original.
The sweet
This
taste
is-
of friendship. I can sell this brand right now. Give me the permission, please. Yeah. So Amras.
So yeah, so then and after that, when I again came back to Delhi, finished my final year, and then I said, okay, now I want to do this. Like I might want to do this. Then I moved to Bombay, and then I started doing random things. Then I
Did you meet
met
Amol?
him. Yeah, I met him. We were doing a play together. That's where I met him and Nidhi Bisht, who was the casting director for Pictures. So then we became, the three of us used to hang out a lot. We became really good friends. This and that. She was working with
All from
TBF.
Delhi, no? We gang up.
Tripling a hero as well, huh, by the way.
Tripling everywhere.
Yeah, oh yeah. And then these guys knew the TVF people. They introduced me to them, and I used to hang out with them a lot, chill in that tiny little office in Aramnagar. And then
Which is now a huge building.
Which is now a huge building.
a huge building in
Three-floor
Andheri
building.
East. Yeah.
God, they're coming closer to me. Just tell them to stop there. Huh?
So yeah, that's it. And then
So what were you doing in Bali when you were part of this theatre group, and then you came and did a performance? At that
Yeah,
time?
I think.
No, we were not performing. We had made a play with the employees of the
He
company.
directed
Right,
it.
but my point is, what were you doing in your life then? You were just doing plays, right?
In fact, I think we were doing that play at that time. Like we had just met maybe a few months back.
No.
And then this project came along.
No One Killed Jessica had come out. This was 2012.
11.
12. Okay.
I think 11.
Um,
April
I don't know if it's
2011.
relevant, but yeah.
We can check, don't worry. We have all the time in the world. Just take your time. Everybody look at the diaries. We come back in 5 minutes with a decision. Huh?
Let's go eat
Like
something.
calendars.
No,
I
and
know.
so all the
Right.
amazing things that people don't understand what people have to do in our line. I mean, you've got to do these strange events where you...
Oh, I've done some very strange events. Yeah, there's this thing called.
Please
sorry.
tell.
This so you know when you go to a mall on a Sunday or whatever, there are people who are.
It's called Shoppers. It's a new show of Clinic. Yeah, go on.
No, they have a small stage where they're
Yeah,
doing
yeah, yeah.
activities.
Performance at
and
11
all,
a.m.
yeah.
and all that. God.
So we've done that, like
With the
there
kids
was-
and stuff,
Yeah.
no?
So you basically it's to keep the kids engaged.
So
and
you're
the
standing
parents
there
are-
and the one kid who's watching is asking, Mummy, kaun hai?
No,
Am
so
I
I've
right?
done activities with, like, we've done this thing called storytelling, where
Oh.
you sit and you start, like,
Telling stories.
telling stories and enacting it or whatever, and keep the kids involved. So stuff like that. And it used to be really embarrassing because I've made
really funny,
fun
huh?
of people like this,
Oh.
all my life. And B, like, the people are passing you by, some are just standing, them guys.
The
and
lack of
men are
respect
just,
is amazing, yeah.
Yeah.
But at least you're a pretty girl, so they look at you. What about us when we do it?
But that's what,
No,
it
no,
was-
हमारा तो photo भी नहीं खींचते हैं
Huh?
वो, दूर से.
They actually say, Abhi side, baju, but they can't see the ad for the other refrigerator, It's very embarrassing.
And not like one show I think we made together was we performed in the middle of High Street Phoenix,
Huh.
which is a big area, like
Correct.
right in the center of the world.
And do they stop and watch or they keep walking? That's not the problem.
It's for the
no?
kids, so they leave their kids there. I think the kids
With their
can.
nannies.
Yeah.
So kids are watching, gaping at us, while the parents are doing their activities
cute.
like
It's
shopping.
through the kid's mind, Naam kya? Akhilesh. Akhilesh, I slept with your father. It should be something. Just leave them with some scar.
ruin their lives.
Yeah, for 15
Traumatized.
years, they won't come back to High Street Phoenix. You had a chance. You had a chance to do something special. But again, coming back to the whole thing, because you're all performers and the things that we have to do to survive sometimes, especially in the early days, people don't understand. You're suddenly doing something, wondering, what am I doing here? I mean, this guy's from IIT, for example, and you could just in a corporate career, just going in one direction. And then suddenly he's sitting there. I had to do puppetry once in a small bank. So I'm not even a face, I'm a hand. And these kids are not even interested. They're looking, kaun hai, ye kaun hai?
You're like
Kyun,
Joey.
God, I'm worse than Joey. I mean, it's the same level of talent. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, very, very strange things that have been done. Do you have something,
This
Amol?
hand is my
no,
hand.
similar things, I think.
This hand is your hand.
I find it very
Performing at
dirty.
weird places.
Very interesting. I like dirty minds.
From French.
Chanchal she is, no?
Okay, let's
Chanchal
move
man.
back to Amol, whose character's name is
Chitwan.
What is the worst thing you've done as a performer?
I've been trying to think.
Have you
for the
slept with a
last
really
5
old
minutes.
man?
Not yet.
But
you
you
wa-
got
but you
felt
want
up.
to.
You got felt up by this guy. Remember?
Where?
But the TVF guys,
That's
someone
that's how I got all my work.
they refuse to pay in currency. Is it? Beta, aja.
अभी internet पे
500
पैसा-
रुपया, 500 रुपया.
₹500
इंटरनेट पे पैसा नहीं प्यार मिलता है.
But have you realized that your spot boys and all, if you have these guys around, you can't pay them anymore because that's the rate. $500, $1,000. They're
That's
finished.
how little you pay your spot.
I can't afford
That's
a spot
disgusting.
boy. We don't have spot boys.
I'm
Look at what
judging
we
you.
do. Sorry, worst thing you've done?
So yeah, what is that feeling of sorry?
Put his hand and felt up your thigh or something. No?
During a performance?
No.
No, it became
I
a
don't know,
performance.
Randomly in life.
Something how you told me. Yeah.
Randomly in life, so yeah, shit happens. Yeah.
So tell
Like
us
pro
randomly.
work.
Hey, somebody wished me New Year in Goa
So, on the
by
31st.
feeling me up on the first.
No,
On the
you
first
met
morning.
someone. He
अरे
told
मैंने
me.
ऐसी बता दिया वो story.
But tell us the full story. Give the background.
Story, I
Well,
just
she
met a
tells
random
stories.
guy
No,
on
no,
the
tell
beach.
stories.
A
Your
random guy
stories
on
are
the
beautiful. Your stories are fuck all.
Mothers
One man fill me
International,
up.
boom.
One man fill me up. Boom. That's the end. That's the climax, boss. Climax
That's
में
it.
चीज
That's
होता है
all
end
that
में.
happened. I ran away.
Well, give me the
अब इससे
beginning.
ज़्यादा क्या होगा? There was no build
You
up.
were sitting in-
He took me by surprise.
दारू पीने के बाद.
कुछ नहीं. First morning, I'm chilling on the beach. A random guy walks up and says, "Happy
Early
New Year."
morning?
Early morning. Like this is after the 31st night party. We're all lying on the beach, and this one random guy walks up and he says, "What's up? Hey, what do you guys do?" And we were having a chat and said, "Did you have fun?" And he just brushed his hand.
That's not the story I
On my
know.
body.
Okay, I want her to
Yeah.
tell the story.
Yeah,
Your
that
story
story is-
sucks.
He had met some, I don't remember who, but he had met some casting director, and now you know. And that's the story he told me. And he met him, and he was asking him, "Kicha, so where are you from, and what do you want to do?" And while talking, he came from that side of the table, and he came and sat next to him, and he's like, "No, so matlab, like, you know," and he started doing all of
For
that.
those who can't watch this,
Yeah,
but I
oh,
can.
sorry.
At the moment, Manvi is actually stroking Amol's thigh.
Hi.
And
Yeah.
please carry on. Take two.
So he started doing all of that, and he obviously figured at some point that where this is
After
going.
55 times of stroking his inner thigh, he realizes it's
Oh,
wrong.
this is not friendly.
Yeah. So what did you do?
And this is doing
Nothing,
things.
Shut your
yeah,
thighs. Off limits.
Hey.
Who was the guy? What's his name?
No.
What was the big deal?
No, yeah.
No, don't
What is
do
it to
that.
hide?
No. Hey,
Why?
don't make me. No.
But there's no harm. So he tried his luck and you said no.
Yeah, but why give away names? Yeah?
No.
Damn you. Just don't want to give us any kind of controversy.
He's a Bengali. That's all I can say.
What does that mean?
What are you insinuating?
Okay, let me see. Surname? Let's start from there.
कितने होंगे? There are some 3-4.
Chatterjee.
Basu, Bose, Banerjee.
Sen Gupta. Damn it.
Moving on.
Moving on. All right, before we go into what we call our special question section, whose name I forgot.
Then I'll also tell you one story. Yeah, in the break.
Please.
No, we don't have.
No, I want to hear now.
Okay, so
While you're thinking about it.
again, like this weird story. So I'd say right in the beginning. Okay, again early days. I had no idea. Like now, I have certain red flags that when someone says, "Ki come to my house for a meeting," so I know I'm not gonna go for a meeting to your house. You know, so
You didn't think that was an absurd thing.
I was a very, very naive
Sweet girl from Mothers International. घर पे आना 12 बजे रात को.
Yeah,
And that's when we'll do the script
very-
reading. हाँ?
very-
अकेले आना रुमाल पहन के. हाँ. I'm just thinking, what more do you want?
No, so they said, no, but it was an office, and so I'm seeing red flags like that. So one red flag is that MHADA wale auditions I don't go for. Like there's a Four
God.
Bungalows MHADA
There's
auditions.
there's like
There's
racism
just-
for geography.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Like,
Yeah.
I don't. Like they're shady. Like that. This is
Huh.
or whatever. I'll take someone with me or whatever. So I didn't know this then. I didn't have this rule for myself then. So at that time they called me for an audition in MHADA and for a film, and I go in and it's an apartment converted to an office. So you enter, the living room has been converted into like the reception waiting area or whatever. So I sit there and they give me a script, okay, and they're like, "आप ये लड़की का role learn कर लीजिए, lines learn कर लीजिए," and I see it's a rape scene, okay, and it's a like, you know, that typical 70s film that the girl is stuck in the villain's den and climax scene and the guy comes and saves her, that kind of a thing. Villain's trying to rape her, and my only lines were "बचाओ बचाओ," okay. So I'm thinking कि इसमें क्या, how is this going to be an audition scene? So I looked at them and I said, "Acha, okay, whatever." Then anyway, like 10 minutes later or whatever, this guy walks in saying, "Come, we'll like take the audition." I am the director or whatever, introduces himself. I was like, okay, so we go in. Inside there's this one mattress on the floor, okay, and there's a tripod with a camera on it.
Wow.
And he's like, okay, so we'll do it. And I'm like, oh, okay, 1 second, how are we going to do this? He said, "नहीं, अब मैं on कर दूंगा camera, you be on the bed and I'll like whatever."
you.
हाँ.
Yeah, what
we'll
else?
act or whatever, and that's what it is. And that's why I was like, no. I said, नहीं, मुझे नहीं करना है. And then he's like, No, but why? I said, no, I'm not comfortable doing this. And I'm panicking, okay, inside, because I'm thinking,
Were you alone?
what if, I was completely alone. And I'm panicking, thinking, what if he just shuts the door and, locks it from inside? What am I going to, and I'm like, no, but I can take him on like this. He's just one guy. But what if more guys come in? And I'm thinking, who can I call? Like, should I call someone on my speed dial? I'm thinking, should I call my dad? I'm like, no, he's not even in Bombay. He's just going to freak out. And all these thoughts are going through my head. And I'm like, nee. And I'm just like, telling him, I don't want to do it. Like, doesn't matter. And he's like, nee, but you have to be comfortable with the director and this and that. And I'm saying, I don't want to do the film, so I don't care about the comfort.
Meanwhile, he's taking his clothes off and getting ready.
None of that. He was just he also, I think, didn't realize what was happening. So he was just like, but नहीं पर क्यों? अरे picture के लिए audition and all. I'm like, नहीं करनी है मुझे.
But he didn't explain the scene. यहाँ पे लेट जाना है.
नहीं, I just and I'm inching towards the door and I'm like, नहीं, मुझे जाना है. So, I'm sorry, नहीं. And I like literally ran out of that place.
He chased you? That could have been the scene. You get the camera on and chase you. Bachao. He still has his stuff.
And drags her back in.
Whatever. He just wants your reaction. He doesn't have to actually drag you.
Like a found footage film.
So you'll never do an intimate scene like that.
What?
What if it's like an American production with a famous, like Brad Pitt is the star and all? Would you do the same scene?
Of course.
Oh, so then it's racism.
It's
You just like this guy.
It's
Shadism. Fair enough. All right, before we wind down, what's next for both of you?
So I have like 2-3 things lined up, but like there's this one short film that I'm doing with like 2-3 big people. Then there's
2-3 big people. You guys all half information about shadism and the guy who tried to molest you.
If I'm even allowed to talk about it yet.
Okay, fine.
So then there's this one film which is happening, which is a remake of a South film. So
that's new.
Never heard of that before.
From left field, yeah.
But it's a Kannada film ka remake. So
that's rare.
Because
Kannada
better.
films themselves are rare nowadays.
Incredible. No, shit, you know now what happened with those 2 stuntmen?
I know. So let's not go there.
Yeah.
Go on next.
Let's not get somber. No, so these 2 things.
Okay, what about this whole world of the internet? And this made a lot of noise and ripples, which rhymes with nipples. So does that? Are you doing more stuff here with the viral fever and people like that?
So viral fever, anyway, I've told them to call me. कि कभी भी कुछ हो, so just like think.
For low payment, I'm ready to go across India.
I'm ready to do anything.
You didn't tell us about how the
journey and the
show was. The journey was because shooting road film can be harrowing and boring also in strange places.
It's not as much fun as it looks on screen for sure.
And the conditions could be good, some small sleepy village and etc.
And it was hot, and I had this
bathrooms, for example,
costume. No, bathrooms are decent.
Available, the whole country. Okay.
Those vanities.
No. Like we had vanities.
How many days of shooting for this? For 6 episodes, right?
28.
5 episodes. Around 29 days.
So 1 month you shot 5 episodes.
Yeah.
Basically.
It's a 2 hours of content, which is a film, which is around 30-35 days anyway.
Wow.
So around the same.
Okay.
It's almost like shooting a film. Like it felt like shooting a film.
And the payment? Long pause.
Felt like
documentary.
Shooting a documentary.
No, film
on your own.
So film wale bhi, they're not giving too much money.
Like that film she ran out of. Bachao.
Yeah.
Part 2. All right. Tell us about you, Amol. What's up? What's coming up?
There's a bunch of stuff. I'm with TVF. I'm writing something right now.
There's an article today in papers.
There's an article today in the papers about a film that I might be doing with Sumit and a bunch of other actors. There is a film that I'm already shooting for. I've shot half of it. It's a film called Disco 82.
Oh, nice.
Disco 82.
It's not as cheerful though. It's a very dark, very edgy, very underground rave party scene.
If there's no Bappi Lahiri in that, I'm not coming.
No Bappi Lahiri.
I'm not coming to watch it.
Not as of now.
You put him in as a guest appearance
later. Yeah, maybe he might. Because we have shot half the film, so Baki bacha huआ है, so maybe we'll fit in Bappi.
You have to give Bappi at least half. Come on.
Bappi da must be like in the hiding right now, no? Because of
the 500 rupees and the gold.
Where do you think all that gold?
Now I'm saying it and this and this. Now you're worried about your reputation.
Now I'm whispering.
All right, so lots of projects for both of you are going strong. Tripling, of course, still doing very well. People are downloading.
And there's a lot of demand for Tripling season 2.
Yeah.
So
will that happen?
That might happen, but not very soon, maybe.
But I don't understand what the story is going to be.
Yeah, you've done the story. When I met the parents, it's over. Now what? Now parents go on a trip. Maybe the grandparents.
Maybe we'll.
Now it's on.
Yeah, the parents join the trip.
Yeah.
We get a.
Now it's on the two of Akash
and all of us fit comfortably in the Tata Tiago.
Now you all should have a divorce. You and your Raja.
Yeah. Or we'll probably have a
No, we
baby
like
or
Kunal,
something.
yeah. We'd like to have Kunal back.
Right. But you said
or maybe he chases her, then.
Or he has sexual issues.
But he finally gets over
jokes
them.
are fine.
There is medication available and so
when he goes to Manali, it all gets sorted out. Manali mein jaake theek ho jata hai.
Raja becomes Maharaj.
All right, on the intimate scene note, let's move on now to what we call the AMAs, where we basically ask you questions about anything. They're all kind of strange questions that come up on our show, and we all just take a shot at it and answer.
am May, and I'm a huge fan of the indie music scene in our country. A scene that's relatively underground, even though it sometimes speaks its head overground. But there's no shortage of talent, and I get the privilege of interviewing some of the most awesome musicians on my show. I've had the likes of Euphoria, Krish Kale, Hardcore, Randolph Correa. I've had singer-songwriters, folk singers, electronic music producers, playback singers, rappers, fusion artists, instrumentalists, classical musicians, and so on. Whether mainstream or not, these people have chosen to release their original music, and these are the people currently shaping the direction in which our music scene is heading. Join me on my show every Monday and tune in to discover the unique talent coming out of India today. You can catch Made in India on your favorite podcasting app or our very own IVM podcast app. If you have any questions for Cyrus, write to us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Or you can send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
All right, at the AMAs, we have Lady May. May, go ahead. You met? You know everyone?
Yeah, we just met.
What are you saying?
Yes.
Manvi.
Amol.
Manvi had an audition with this guy who tried to, molest her. She's gone through hell.
What?
Yeah.
Did you?
No, I escaped it.
How did you escape? Did you beat him?
I got the
with
part.
Stick?
She ran away.
I know how much you like people molesting you. I molest you all the time.
Yeah,
You don't
I'm
accept
not a
it, so-
touchy-feely guy unless money's involved. It's a whole different culture.
I'm a big hugger.
You're a big hugger.
I love hugs. I'll hug you later.
Manvi, are you a hugger?
I'm a hugger.
May is a big hugger.
I'm a
She
very
hugs and
physically-
holds.
I love it. I love hugs. They're the best.
I love
Indian men are very confused.
Do you
when a girl
think
hugs
there
you.
would be
Really?
destruction in this
Oh,
world if
God,
we
no.
all
I
Yeah,
learned it when I
if
came to
you all
Bombay.
just give out
It was a
free
little weird for me, but
hugs,
now I'm
I agree.
comfortable.
Yeah.
But in Delhi, when my Delhi friends also come to Bombay, I can see the weirdness in their
Yeah,
eyes.
but you don't hug, you say, but you let a man put his hand on your thigh for half an hour while telling you a story.
different, no?
Ah, acha, acha.
That's for work.
Okay. So he's okay with the lower body hugs.
That's a good
It's
one.
professional.
That's what I get paid
And
for.
all he tells us is he's Bengali. I don't know what that meant.
What
yeah,
are you supposed to take out of that?
I know the story. This is really weird.
We got a random conversation without drugs. It's amazing. Come on.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So AMAs, we've got a question. What was your favorite toy as a kid, or
Like a
as an
sex
adult?
question.
go for it.
Favorite
Tell us.
toy? Mine.
So,
I had this nunchaku. And I used
Nunchuck.
To, nunchuck, yeah.
Like, oh
I
my
thought it was
God.
Bruce Lee. I
Yeah.
remember I hit my mother on the back of her head once, and they took it away. But by mistake, because you're not really
Yeah.
Bruce Lee, but you think you're Bruce Lee.
Of course
and so
you
then,
do.
it flies out of your hand and all that. It happens with anything that goes
Did
into.
you hurt anyone with your
I
nunchucks?
did. I broke things and all that. I remember that was one. But I'm sure they have more interesting because in
What
Delhi you
about
get better
Phallic
toys.
things, not
Yeah.
like phallic shaped things.
Nunchucks are
Yeah.
phallic and with things attached.
Yeah.
Two things attached. So in many ways it was a complete package. Sorry if you want to take it further. Manvi?
Taking you back to that audition now.
She's the dirtiest guest we've had. Amol is like a virgin.
Are you?
He
That's
forgot-
awesome because he
he
keeps
forgot-
blaming me for
May,
like crossing
May,
the line.
Amol forgot his molestation case. She remembered everything. She's not even involved with the molestation. She knew everything. He only remembers the surname for some reason. Delhi guys are strange.
The
Yeah.
region that he
The region.
A region that he
His issue was regionalism. It was not about the leg.
How could a Bengali
Yeah, touch me without
How
asking.
could a Bengali?
No.
I think he's got
Without
Because if it was a
He's got
Malayali, it would be
DPS,
perfectly
yeah.
fine.
Perfect.
DPS. It's a long story. No, come on.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh,
don't
so
they haven't
what was
answered.
yours?
Favorite toy.
toys.
Like when you were a kid.
When you were a child.
I was studying, yeah. I went to IIT.
Book.
That's true. Listen, he's an IIT.
I had no toys.
They don't.
I had no
By
toys.
age
I had
4,
no toys.
they were doing Rubik's Cube and all full.
Yeah.
So no chance.
That's
But
crap.
Manu, your story in Mothers International, is it? Mothers International? It'll be a
Don't
little
make that
different.
face when you say what's
You said top 2 schools in India?
Yes, don't say Mothers International. It's
the name
Mothers
is-
International.
Mothers International.
Yeah. There has to be like some gravitas
Okay,
in your
Mothers
voice.
International.
Yeah.
What was your favorite toy?
I had this ice cream doll, which was this.
Now phallic, and you're telling me. Eh.
No, it's called.
I mean,
no.
come on, my nunchucks
It
are
was like
long
this
way off.
fat, really fat, chubby doll, and very cute and whatever. And then I saw Evil Dead. And then I decided that I don't want this doll. And I cried. I had, at home, I had fought with my parents to
But
get
you
me
could
that
eat
doll.
the doll?
No, it was just called the ice cream doll.
It's a doll.
I don't know. Then the next step is watching a horror film. So come on, do the maths.
No, I happened to see Evil Dead and I was like, oh my god, that's my doll. And then I just like...
And it all comes to life
I had to
and
throw
eats
it
you.
away.
Your innocence gets corrupted
Yeah.
by these like horror
And the
movies.
phallic
And
one
I
out
was
of the
scarred
window.
for life, yeah.
Yeah. I had, now you're going to think this is
Yeah,
ridiculous,
yeah.
talking about phallic. I had a monkey. I had this like stuffed toy monkey. That was my favorite. But
That
it
was
had
your-
an extremely
Nee,
long
that
tail.
was your uncle.
Like really long.
And
like, the
a
tail.
monkey with an extreme...
It was really long tail.
Oh
Where's my
God.
uncle?
Where's the monkey now?
I think it's gathering dust in a cupboard, I'm
Or,
sure.
or leading a country. Somewhere.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
Whose face would you rather see on the new 2,000 rupee note? It's a bit old, but yeah.
Whose face?
Would you
What are the
rather
choices?
see? It's your choice.
Oh, anybody.
Whose
Okay.
face would you
Young man, whose face would you rather see? You're from IIT, you're educated man. You must know historical figures.
Historical figure? No, then,
anybody.
let's go
It's your choice.
science.
No,
No, then let's go science.
I would like my dad, for example, but you can choose whoever you
That's
want.
interesting.
Yeah. Well, I just like my dad's picture on 2000. Dekha? You're from Delhi, you should appreciate it. मेरा बाप कौन है? देखा?
So मैं माँ का डाल दूंगा ना. I'll put my mother's
Oh
picture.
shit, that sounded very bad. Finger card.
Winning points, huh? Brownie
Oops.
points.
I know.
Yeah.
Indian men. You see what we landed with? Parents. It's all about the parents. Loving your parents.
It's all about loving your parents.
Come on, Manvi.
Oh,
Give us something interesting. After the ice cream doll, you set high standards.
Listen, the story. I don't know.
Whose face?
I'm happy with that Mangalyaan. They've got Mangalyaan ka
Yeah,
photo.
but
na?
I think it's so
Gandhi's
Gandhi.
face is
Gandhi's
there.
face is
Gandhi's
there.
on one side, but on the other side, I mean, yeah, we can maybe get rid of.
It was so funny. Yesterday we used the 2,000 Rufino. I was with and we were out for drinks, and and they were like, "Madam, we have no change."
Yeah.
And then we're
I
like,
had
"This
the-
is legal tender. You have to use this note." We actually shouted at them at this bar. He's like, "Okay, madam, we'll go." And he actually gave us change after that. But yeah.
But I had the
How dare
money
you not
too,
give us
yeah.
change?
But what they've done,
Changing
we're,
what new
we're
notes.
recording this when this 500 thing has just happened, and they've allowed the C-Link in Mumbai to be free, for example.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They should allow drinks to be free also for a little while. So you don't have to go through this whole thing.
Yeah.
2000
There's
ka
no
change
trouble.
मिलेगा, नहीं मिलेगा, कोई problem नहीं. We'll adjust later.
Drink whatever you want. Okay. And last question. If you have... Wait. What is the worst thing your mom has caught you doing?
Oh, God.
I don't know, but when I was about 14, 15, I remember asking me if I was working out because I came out with my right forearm looking swollen. That I do remember. And I was like, Mom, how can you be so dumb? You know, and I didn't answer it. She's like, what, are you working out now in the afternoon? Oh. She's like, yeah, okay. That's right. Working out.
Twice
that's
a
it.
day.
That's right. Yeah, only one arm, you know. That's it. Yeah. What's the worst thing your mother's caught you with?
Oh, I don't know.
My mother's also caught me put a used condom, and she's put a sign on the mirror saying, please put the used condom in the dustbin. Yeah.
Wow,
So
you
the
have
girl
some
I was
great
dating at that
stories.
time was very embarrassed.
Your mom's amazing, though.
My family's very permissive that way. They're very cool. Like when I went to jail for the night and I came back, we had some big fight, drinking and all that. Came back and I told my dad I got blood in the head and this and that. So he said, asked me only one thing. It was like, did you get a receipt? So I was like, what? So while you were in jail, we paid 900 rupees bail. Did you get a receipt? So I said, 900 receipt. So go back and get the receipt. It's only worry about his tax implications. Nobody cared about what happened, who fought, how much you drank, who banged who.
Or why did you fight?
And
Should
there was
you not
blood
do it?
all across my head wounds, bleed a lot. And my father was not bothered. He didn't even say put Dettol or anything. Did you have the receipt? He wanted me to go back to the station and get my receipt. I was like, any other father would be like, don't drink, don't fight. Oh, God. Terrible family.
You know what? I love parents. I think I've got some of the most
I love
epic lines from my mother. I remember there was this guy who was like, I'm Saracen, and I went out to have dinner with him, but we've not DTR'd, defined the relationship bullshit, right?
DTS? Suno?
I'm learning.
Yeah.
DTR. So my brother told me this is what the young kids are saying nowadays.
DTR.
I asked someone, what do you think DTR is? They're like, down the road.
That's also.
Yeah, it's also
It all depends on what generation you come from. Down the road makes a lot of sense for me.
Let's go DTR.
Just going DTR. It sounds like a cinema somewhere in North India. I'm telling you honestly. Then?
DT
So
cinema,
then what
yeah.
happened was I came back after this dinner and my mom was she was just joking around. So she was just she asked me, she's like, you want to go see your boyfriend? I'm like, well, Mom, he's not your girlfriend. And that made sense. That's true, Mom.
But once you date an Indian man for 5 years, don't you feel he's more like the girlfriend?
That is true.
Come on,
Oh,
with our
God.
aches and pains and crankiness and complaints and
They're
not helping.
so
and,
moany. I'm just like a miserable
Girlfriends
I
aren't like
research
that.
it.
What are the men you're
Girlfriends
going
aren't
out
like that.
The lines get blurred here after some time.
No, I'm telling you, all men are like that. They
No,
just
but he's
become.
saying it's like dating a girlfriend.
Women are
What
amazing.
do I know? I'm married to last 20,000 years. I don't know anything.
20,000.
Please ask a young man, the single people. All right, we've been told to shut up. We've lost time. There's no time left. All the best to
That's
Amol and
basically
Manvi, and we'll see them soon in cinemas next to you.
Woo!
Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps. Please, we beg you, we need you. If you have any questions, write to us online, and you can mail us as well. We will answer. We have a doctor in the house called May.
And that's what Cyrus says.
People ask us all the time, why don't we celebrate Indian artists? And the answer is simple, because there aren't any. But there are a few left. We found them, and May will interview them on Made in India. That's right. If you have talent, if you're musical, if you're special, May will find you. And then to get rid of her is a problem. Check out new episodes on our IVM podcast apps. Happy listening, mother and fathers.
एक्सक्यूज मी भैया, एक्सक्यूज मी,
बोलिए मैडम।
मेन्यू में क्या है?
मेन्यू में सीन अनसीन है, पॉडकास्ट है, ऑन कोर्स है, साइरस है, मेड इन इंडिया, रीडिस्कवरी प्रोजेक्ट, एम्पावरिंग सीरीज, सेक्स वैक्स है, IVM लाइक्स है, सिंप्लीफाइड है, कीपिंग इट क्वियर है, थिंग्स एंड डेस्टिनेशंस है, माय नेबर जकरबर्ग है और द फैन गराज है। आपको क्या चाहिए?
एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे क्या?
रिपीट नहीं करता हम। आप जाओ IVMpodcast.com पे और सुनो ये सब, या फिर डाउनलोड करो उनका ऐप, सब आपकी उंगलियों पे।